No camera needed, no editing skills needed, no need to show your face, and yes, it's absolutely free. YouTube is by far one of the fastest ways to make big money online, and it's no secret that YouTubers make millions of dollars every year. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will explain you exactly how to do it. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before diving into the video, just a heads up guys, the NexGen logo will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Okay, so you can make anywhere from $300 to almost $800 a day on YouTube, and I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can set this up for yourself. Now, the very first thing which you will need to do is to head over to youtube.com. Go to the search bar and search for top 10 or top 5 videos that can be like stories, business ideas, maybe in chess, movies, or whatever you can think of. Options are endless. And I will, for example, search for the top 10 business ideas. You can go through all of the videos, find something that you think is interesting, and something that already works in terms of getting a lot of views. You will need to open some of those videos, check if it has no face cam. You want to focus only on those videos that just use voiceover with screenplay. Then use this title trick that's going to make everything easy. Underneath the video, you have these 3 dots right here. Click on those 3 dots and click on Open Transcript. They will give you full script of all the words that have been said in this video. But you can't just copy it because you'll get a copyright strike obviously. Rather than that, there's something else which you'll need to do. First of all, make sure to click on these 3 dots as well and click toggle timestamps so it removes them from the left hand side. Once again, step number 1 is to search for similar videos in YouTube. Open up one of them, click on the 3 dots and copy the script from the right hand side. Now let's go to the next step. For this one, you will need to rewrite the script in your own words. Instead of you doing all that hard and boring work, you can simply paste the entire script into Spinbot. This is an absolutely free online tool which would rewrite any text for you, finding you best synonyms and alternatives in order to make the script your own and unique. So you can copy the transcript from someone's video, paste it into Spinbot, fill out CAPTCHA, and click on go. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will be done for you. Now you have an entire unique script to use for your own video. Now I'm gonna show you all the other steps to get this type of video done for free. For step number 3, pick some free video footage to use in your videos, and the best way you can do that is to go to Pexels.com. Pexels has thousands of copyright-free videos which you can download and use free of charge without having to give any institution to the owner. You can find videos in any niche and about almost anything. Let's say for example, I need fitness and weight loss videos. I can just go to the search bar, type in the keyword and search. That will give me loads of them from which I can choose from. Now just pick some of these. Click on it and the right hand side. You'll see this button where it says download. Just click it and the video will be on your computer. Now you can just download multiple videos so you can afterwards compile them into one long video with a voiceover. So if your video is about top 5 weight loss exercises, you can obviously search for weight loss or fitness. Since my videos are about top 10 business ideas, I can search for business videos or money or finance or investing in stuff and download as many of those videos as possible. This way, you will not have to record those videos yourself, nor will you have to pay anyone to fill them for you. This is all absolutely free and it requires just one click of a button. And now that you have those videos in your computer, you will need to compile them into one longer video. And instead of using those complicated and expensive video editing softwares, you can simply use Kledio or OpenShot.com. Both are free. Kledio is an online tool, which means you don't even have to download or install anything. But OpenShots is a little bit more advanced and it's made for more professional videos, for more high quality ones. So you will decide which one you want to use. I'll use Kledio for this example. I will click on Video Maker and that will take me over to this page where I can upload all of the videos I have collected from Pexels.com. Just click on Upload Files, select those videos, and wait until it loads. Once it loads, you can play around and edit this video here. You can change settings in running time for those videos. Maybe you need to cut them or make them longer. It's super easy to edit with this, and it's completely beginner friendly. You can even add transitions to make your video more engaging. That's if you want to edit with Kledio. But if you want to edit with OpenShot, that's going to be a little bit different, but OpenShot gives you many different tutorials on how to use it, so it's not gonna take you more than 10 minutes to figure it all out, even if you never edited any video before. So this strategy is basically based in copy-pasting stuff, but it has the potential to make you a lot of money. Now that you have those videos in Kledio or OpenShot, you'll need some voiceover in the background to read the script that you have modified with SpinBot. Step number 5. Getting audio for your videos. Now, since you have an entire script rewritten, you can either read it yourself into the microphone. You can even record your voice with some app on your smartphone device. Now, for recording your voice, I recommend you to use Audacity. It's absolutely free and really easy to use. You can just install it from this website. Go to Google, search for Audacity free installation, open up their official website, install this into your computer, and use it free of charge for a lifetime. On the other side, if you don't want to record your voice, then simply go over to Fiverr.com, search for voiceover services, and hire someone to do it professionally for you. They will charge you like $5 to $10, and you just need to spend in your script from SpinBot, and you will receive a high quality voiceover. So it's up to you whether you want to start for free by recording your own voice, or you want to invest a couple of bucks to get someone to do it for you. And once you have that audio file of the background voiceover, you will need to go back to your video editing software. In this case, that's going to be Kledio, and upload that audio file. Now you have an entire video with those clips. You have audio file, and you can maybe add some copyright free music from the library just to make your video even more engaging. But it's really an optional part. Now once you add that audio file to your video, just click export and Kledio will generate the final video ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Step number 6. Now you just need to start uploading those videos to your YouTube channel. To get powerful hashtags and SEO recommendations in order to grow your channel faster and get more views, you can use some of the free online tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. They're pretty much the same. You can install them for free and use them for a lifetime. And in order to grow faster, I highly recommend you to upload consistently, perhaps daily, and that way YouTube algorithm will notice your channel. And for high quality thumbnails, you can simply use Canva.com. That's an absolutely free tool with a bunch of free design templates where you can just drag and drop and create professional looking thumbnails. You can select a template and customize it as you prefer. You can change text, size fonts, colors, backgrounds, add emojis, icons, and more. It's fully customizable. Now, of course, in order to start making money from those videos, you need to be monetized, and YouTube has specific requirements, which means your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So before you reach those numbers and you get monetized, you can make money through affiliate links, print on demand, or maybe even with CPA marketing. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.